additives commonly used for the preparation of tablets. Okay, so they can be otherwise called as the added substances for the tablet preparation. So the most common type of excipients are described here as you can see as diluent, the binding and adhesive agents, disintegrants, and the other ingredients including color, sweetening agents, and flavors. The last three are collectively called as organoleptic additives, and the previous ones are called the exact pharmaceutical additives. Okay, so we will see one by one. So first of all, it is called diluent. Diluents is also known as fillers, bulking agent പറയും. So they are used to increase the size of tablet, especially for potent drugs having low dose. Okay, minimum viable quantity. Then as they increases the size, it's suitable for handling, makes it suitable for handling of tablets. Then the commonly used fillers include lactose, and for a chewable tablet like sugar, glucose, sucrose, sorbitol, mannitol can be used. Then CMC, that is microcrystalline cellulose, and cellulose derivatives are also used. The most commonly used diluent is dicalcium phosphate dihydrate. Okay, so these are the various requirements for a substance to act as a diluent. They should have possessed all the above properties. Okay, so it should be compatible, cheap, water soluble, etc. Then disintegrant number 2 is disintegrants. Disintegrants means disintegrants act as by breakdown the tablet to small fragments during the dissolution stage. Okay, so the disintegrants are added to increase the rapid dissolution. Okay, so tablets will get more easily absorbed. Then the steps involved for the disintegration steps, you can see from gastrointestinal tract how the drug is absorbed from tablet. Okay, so then you have the various method for disintegrant action. Okay, so the disintegrants are added in different stages of preparation of granules, like intragranular addition, that is before the preparation of tablets, and after the preparation of granules they are also added extragranular addition, etc., or both. And these are the commonly used disintegrants include starch, cellulose, especially carboxy, methyl CMC, sodium CMC. Concentration is very important. Then super disintegrants can also be used. Okay, then the binders are also called as additive agents. So what they do is they act as a glue that holds the powder together to form granules. So granulating agents are also called as binding agents. Okay, so commonly used binding agents are starch based, glucose, gelatin, various gums can be used. Okay, then this is how it is incorporated as a dry powder or as a solution of binding solution, especially in wet granulation, and in dry granulations you will add it as a dry powder form. So usual concentration of binder is 2 to 10% of the weight of the tablet. Okay, so binder can be starch, HPMC, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, povidone, that is polyvinyl, that is povidone iodine, that is called as simply called as povidone. Okay, then lubricants prevents the adherence of granules and powders to the dye wall, and promotes the smooth ejection from the dye after combustion. Okay, so to tablet prepare ചെയ്തിട്ട് പിന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ ഇടയിൽ ഒരു മെക്കാനിക്കൽ ലൂബ്രിക്കേഷൻ കൊടുക്കുന്ന സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് ആണിത്. They can be either as a fluid lubricant or a boundary lubricant. Okay, so fluid lubricants means mainly includes oily substance liquid paraffin. Then boundary substances can also include stearates, magnesium, calcium stearate, talc, stearic acid, etc. Then you have various types of SLS, liquid paraffin, etc. PEG, propylene glycol. Propylene glycol PG can also act as the lubricant. Then you have glidant. Glidant you might be knowing from the knowledge from the physical pharmacy. They are called as flow promoters or flow aid. That is, they increase the flowability of the powder. Okay, from the hopper to the die. Okay, and they reduces the interparticulate friction during the compression. Most commonly used glidant included talc, then colloidal silica. The concentration, note down the concentration, which is very important. Then anti-adherence means since the powders may be sticky sometimes, during that the anti-adherents are added to prevent the particles sticking to the punches and embossed punches faces. Okay, so many lubricants can be act as anti-adherents, like magnesium stearate. Okay, talc stars are commonly used anti-adherents. Then sorbents means adsorbent are capable of absorbing some fluids and keep them in dry conditions. So microcrystalline cellulose silica can also used as absorbents. Then flavors, you need to have a particular type of flavor because of the added flavoring agents. Okay, so then you have colorants. Particular type of colorants can also be used. They are biocompatible. Natural colors can also be added during the coating. Okay, or sometimes they are added before the process of combustion tablet. And sweetening agents, this increases the palatability of the tablet, especially important for chewable tablet. Okay, commonly used sweetening agents are mannitol and saccharin. Okay,